everyone! Welcome to Fun with Drawing channel. Let's do fun while drawing. Today, I will draw Pocoyo and his gang members, Elly and Sleepy Bird. First, I will draw Pocoyo legs, his clothes and hands. Being a young child, Pocoyo tends to be very childish. He doesn't understand much, and when unhappy or angry, will throw a tantrum or storm off in a huff. He is also very innocent and simply does not know any better yet, but learns something new every day to help him out. He is also very affectionate and caring towards others and shows it often. He can be sneaky and wise when he wants to be, but he is always seen as cute by everyone. Now I will draw Sleepy Bird, also called Baby Bird. The Sleepy Bird is rather lazy, rarely doing stuff besides sleeping, and usually flies with her eyes closed. And at the last, I am drawing Elly. Elly is one of Pocoyo's best friends. Elly is a beautiful, astonishing, brilliant pink elephant. She has a very motherly nature to her. She loves her friends so very much and would do anything for them. She carries around a small blue backpack at all times. While Pocoyo and his friends, drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. First, I will do skin color in Pocoyo face and hands. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Now blue color in his clothes and his cap. Now I will color sea green in Sleepy Bird and orange color in his beak. At last, I will color blue in Elly bag and pink color in his whole body. Wow, Pocoyo! Elly and Sleepy Birds all are looking so good and pretty. Bye-bye!